Okay, so let's have a look at this one. A box contains 4 red, 2 white, 3 green marbles, all of which are the same size. 2 marbles are selected one after the other from the box without replacement. What is the probability that the marbles are the same color? Okay, so I've got 4 red, 2 white, and 3 green. So let's talk about that. 4 red and 2 white and 3 green. Okay, so the first time I make a selection, and we're going to be selecting 2 marbles. The first time I make a selection, it's going to be either red, white, or it's going to be green. And the chance of a red marble is going to be 4 out of how many marbles in total? 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So 4 out of 9 marbles are red. The probability of a white marble is 2 out of 9 marbles, and the probability of a green marble is 3 out of 9 marbles. So this is my first selection. Now, if I were to make a second selection after, let's say, I chose red, the next marble might be red, might be white, might be green. If I've already selected a red marble, that means that there's one less marble and there's one less red marble. Whereas if I've selected a red marble, there are still 2 white marbles, but one less marble overall. And if I select a red marble first, then the number of green marbles remains 3 because I never took away a green marble, and there's 8 marbles overall. The same kind of stuff goes on here. Red, white, and green, red, white, and green. These are all going to be out of 8 because after the first selection has been made, there will be 8 marbles to choose from because they're not replacing the marbles. Now if I've selected a white marble, that means that there is one less white than there originally was. Down here, if I've selected a green marble, then that means that there's one less green marble than there originally was. But all the other numbers remain the same. So this would be 4 and 3. This would be 4 and 2. This is my second selection. So, if I follow through this path here, that means that I've got a red and red marble coming up. And the probability of that is just going to be to multiply through. So it's going to be 4/9 times 3/8. Now, I'm going to work this one out because red and red, that means that they're the same color. And that's the kind of stuff I'm supposed to be keeping track of. So 4 times 3 is 12. 9 times 8 is 72. What about if I follow through this path? White and white. In this case, I've got the probability of white and white equals to 2/9 times 1/8, and 2/9 times 1/8 is how much? It's going to be 272 or 270 seconds, and then finally green and green is the last one down here where they're the same color. So that is 3/9 times 2/8. And so 3 times 2 on the top is 6, 9 times 8 is 72. So I've got 12 70 seconds over plus 2 70 seconds plus 6 70 seconds. So if I want to add them all up, I get 18 out of 72. And 18 out of 72, 18 divided by 72 gives me 0.25. So That's a little bit different. 18 out of 72. I don't see that up here at all. So let's have a look and check and see with my math if it worked out. First of all, okay, yeah, I did something wrong. 12 plus 2 is 14, plus 6 is not 18, it's 20. So it's 20 divided by 72. That's 0.278. And 0.278 is C. So that's my answer there, 0.278. That's because it's 20 divided by 72, which is this plus this plus this, the total probability of getting the same color. Red and red, white and white, green and green.